In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Spotify playlist that appears empty. If you've opened one of your playlists and suddenly all the songs seem to be gone, don't worry just yet. In many cases, the playlist isn't truly deleted or lost. It's just not loading correctly. Or there's a small issue with your app or connection. We're going to walk through a series of practical checks and fixes you can try, starting from the simplest ones and moving toward slightly more involved solutions. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Spotify needs a reliable connection to load playlists, especially large ones. If you're on Wi-Fi, try turning it off and back on, or briefly switch to mobile data to see if the playlist loads. If you're on mobile data, check that data usage for Spotify is allowed in your device settings. Next, reload the playlist. Close the playlist view, wait a couple of seconds, and reopen it. If you're on a computer, you can also try switching to a different playlist and then back again. Sometimes Spotify just needs a quick refresh to pull in your songs. If it's still empty, completely restart the app. On mobile, close Spotify from the recent apps or app switcher, then open it again. On desktop, fully quit Spotify, not just minimize it, and relaunch. After restarting, navigate back to the playlist and give it a few seconds to load. Now, check if the issue is specific to one device. If you're on your phone, log into Spotify on another device, like a computer or tablet, and see whether the same playlist looks normal there. If it shows up correctly on another device, the playlist itself is fine, and the problem is likely with the original app or device. If the playlist is still empty everywhere, confirm you're logged into the correct account. It's easy to accidentally have multiple accounts, for example, one created with email and another via a social login. Log out of Spotify, then carefully log back in with the account where you originally created your playlists. If none of that works, you can try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Spotify from your device, restart the device, then download and install Spotify again from the official App Store. After signing back in, open the playlist and wait a bit for your library to sync. By following these steps calmly and methodically, you'll usually be able to bring your empty Spotify playlist back to life and get your music playing again.